Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. We've got one more box from the Ginger Quilter and we've got it here, so let's get started. Yay! Alright, so we are on month 3 of the Ginger Quilter subscription boxes. I have not yet picked one for next month, so if you have any ideas of one I should subscribe to, make sure you leave it in the comments below. But I want to see what we've got in this one. If you haven't checked out the videos for the first 2 boxes, I will link them below. These boxes have been very, very sweet and cute, and I've enjoyed them. And I hope we like the last one, so let's see what we've got. Alright, so we've got her little magazine. This tells us everything that's in here, plus the pattern. The pattern, oh how cute is this? It's Thimble Blossoms. It's called Spools. It's a mini pattern, and it is from Camille Raskelli. I hope I didn't just mess that up. Oh, Bonnie and Camille from Moda. That's where the pattern came from. So there's our little pattern. Let me take it out of the bag. It's probably a little bit easier to see. And I apologize for not having a front camera. My front camera broke and we're waiting for it to come back, so you just get my hands today. So there we go, it's this cute little pattern, and it opens up. There we go. So I'm assuming that means we are going to be getting some charm squares in here. So let's see what we've got. All right, we'll deal with that after. Ooh, yummy, oh my goodness, look at the size of that bag. These are yummy peach rings. Fat-free, gluten-free, sodium-free. Oh, those look yummy. All right, I'm sure she'll tell us a story about that. Then we've got, oh, 20% off patterns from Thimble Blossoms. Oh, how cute. Here's our fabrics. I'm going to go through those in just a second. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, we've got some Sewing Mends the Soul Band-Aids from Riley Blake. How cute are those? Hopefully you don't need a lot of Band-Aids in your sewing room, but there are 40 in here. That's very generous. I will probably stick some of these in my to-go bags. We have a mystery box. We don't know what that is. And we got more fabric, and I think that's everything in the box. So let's just set this aside for now and see what we've got here. So we got fabric, fabric, fabric. We've got our little pattern. We've got a 20% off coupon for Thimble Blossoms, which we're gonna set aside. We've got our candies, our magazine, our Band-Aids, and a mystery box. So let's see what's in the mystery box. It's like Christmas here. Let's see what we got. All right, in here we have a desktop vacuum. Oh, and it's even got her logo on it. How cute is that? So there is the Ginger Quilter box. It's these little bristles on the end. There's another little brush here. I assume I have to put Band-Aids in, and there's directions on how to use it. Yeah, I gotta stick some batteries in it. How cute is that? So I've got my own little desktop broom, or vacuum. All right, so I'm gonna move it. Don't wanna lose my instructions. All right, so we have a vacuum, Band-Aids, candy, our pattern, and our fabric. So let's go through her magazine, and then I'm going to share the fabric with you real quick. All right, so in the box, in her letter, we've got the Mini Spools pattern by Thimble Blossoms. It says here she's a sucker for thread spool quilt blocks, and she's never sewn one, and she's going to spotlight all the things that us quilters love best. So there's the pattern. The So Wonderful is the line of fabric from Paper and Cloth. This has got sewing notions on it. I believe this is it. Let's see. Yep, Paper and Cloth. There we go. How cute is that? Very, very cute. Then we've got some gray. And we've got mint with the little flowers on it. So these are all here. Then we have the white for the background, but this white, I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up. There it is. It's got little safety pins all over it. How cute is that? So we've got that. So let's lay these out. We've got this one. We've got this fabric. I assume these are the spool tops and bottoms. This would be the binding. I guess this would be for the back or whatever, a little border on there. And then we've got the little fat 5-inch squares. So let's go through these. We've got buttons and stitching lines. There's the notions again, but they're in mint green. Then we've got little buttons in mint, scissors, some sweet little flowers, more flowers in white, and then another little peach with little flowers. So there we go. That is the fabrics for it. Then she gave us sewing bandages. You'll be glad to have these little band-aids in your sewing room just in case. We've got a tabletop vacuum that goes out to all the minky lovers out there to get the pesky fluff and stray threads off of your table so you can move on with your sewing. I'm definitely going to try this out. I'm also going to try it out on my desk. Peach rings. There are not many sewing themed candies on the market these days, so she got these because they look like pretty little bobbins. How cute is those? And then she goes on to talk about next month's box, and then to not forget to post your projects on Instagram and tag her at Ginger_Quilter so she can see your creativity. And then she always puts a sweet little quote on the back. It takes a token of healthy and gentle characteristics when women of high thoughts and accomplishments love to sew, especially as they are never more at home with their hearts than while occupied. And that's a Nathaniel Hawthorne quote. So that is it. This is our very, very sweet little box from Ginger Quilters. This is the third one. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have not picked up another one for next month. I am looking for ideas, so if you want to leave that in the comments below. And as always, I thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified for the next video. Have a great day.